Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and if this is your first time here, big welcome to you as well. Today I'm doing an unboxing for a company called Diamondart.ca. It's Canadian, yay! They ship all their orders from Ajax, Ontario, and I just am so happy to know that there is a Canadian company that has diamond paintings. Right now, if I want a diamond painting, I have to go to Amazon. That's the only other one I know of. If you guys know of any other Canadian companies, put them in the comments down below. Just to tell you a quick little story, I ordered my painting on the 24th of October. I had a notification that it was in the mail on the 25th, and I received it in my mailbox on the 28th. So super fast delivery. I was so impressed with that. Now I just want to show you a couple things with their site. They do have some exciting news, like they're bringing in licensed artwork, which is awesome. I'm so happy to hear that. That makes me really happy to support them and share their site with all of you. Anytime we can support artists, I think that's a great thing. And then also, I think it's good for the company because, I don't know, I look a little more fondly at sites that support artists, and I'm sure that there's a lot of you out there that do the same thing. And then we, as customers, also have fun artwork to work on, and we know that we're supporting the artists also. So I think I'm really happy to hear that. It looks like they're bringing in some new fun products as well, and but I really wanted to tell you about the licensed artwork. The next thing is they're the home of the True North collection. Now when I go to the True North collection, basically it's just the things you think of in the North, which is like snow, Santa, North Pole, forests, that kind of thing. But the collection that really actually got me excited was this one called Canadiana. So if you're wanting to see some cool landmark sites in Canada, just take a look at this one. We've got Peggy's Cove, we've got the Toronto skyline. It looks like a Quebec sap harvest. I mean, I don't need to go through them all, but we've got the Canadian flag, Hockey Canada, Calgary skyline. My daughter just moved to Calgary, so that's kind of cool. So, and also the Jelly Bean row houses, which are located in Atlantic Canada. They're so cool looking. So those are just a few of the things that I wanted to share with you about this site. I think the Canadiana one is just kind of a unique, cool touch that this site has that really brings it into the fact that they are a Canadian company. I think it's just neat. Now let's get into the unboxing, you guys, and let's take a look at the canvas that I was sent. Okay, so let's just start off. They sent me a quick little note. It says, Dawn, thanks for your interest in our product. We're looking forward to what you think. Thank you, Rebecca. That was the name of the representative I spoke to, and she was super nice. And here is a picture. I like that they have the sticker on the outside of the bag. So it is, as you can see, kind of orange, yellow flowers. It is a round diamond painting, and it's called Fall Flowers. Let me just pull it out of here. Okay, so right off the hop, the canvas feels, it's not quite as stiff and plasticky feeling as some of the other sites that I've tried. But it is stiff, but in kind of a good way. It's a little bit softer, if that explains it. Let's just pull these things out. And before we look at the actual canvas, I'm going to just show you quickly the drill kit and see what they sent. Okay, so starting off, you get a plate of the blue wax, which I don't think I've ever had blue wax before, so it'll be interesting to try that out. You get black tweezers, and they are the sharp, pointy ones, so make sure you keep your lid on. Whoops, get you back in frame there. You also get a blue pen and a squishy, and then also so 4 and 7. You get a 4 and 7 placer. And then a small white funnel tray. I've heard people call these something, it starts with an M and I can't remember what it is, but I just call it a white funnel tray. So I'm just going to stick that off to the side, and then we'll look at the canvas. Okay, so like I said, the canvas actually feels pretty good. So again, oh, I think I've got it up. Yeah, I do. Upside down. So again, this is called Fall Flowers. I just really like the coloring of it, and surprise, this is a full crystal drill canvas. So I've never done a full crystal canvas before. I'm a little bit excited to try that out and see what they look like. I've seen other people talk about them, and I've seen short blurbs of other people doing them, but I've never really looked at what they look like when they're done. So I'm super excited to see that. This canvas was $37.95 Canadian, and you can switch your currencies into many different currencies. So that's just the Canadian currency. I am Canadian, so that is what I use. Again, it says it's 30 by 40. Let's just grab my measuring. Let's just measure this by centimeters. So edge to edge drilling field, it is like 39.5, and maybe even there's if I flatten this out, wow, it's like one tick below 40. So that's bang on in my books. And top to bottom, again, yeah, that's like one notch below 30 as well on there. So very true to size. I'm just going to do it like side to side. I'm just going to do this one. Yeah, that would make it the 45. Okay, so that must be what was on the website that I noticed when I was looking at it. So it is a 40 by 30. Very nice. The drill field itself too, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. Very, very clear. I'm going to zoom you in here. And I will bring this up a little bit so that you can see. Super, super clear. No blur. No background dots that I've seen on other canvases that just drive me nuts because it's so busy. The symbol system, there are 32 colors. Going to zoom you back out. So 32 colors, and I'll just show you below the thumbnail. It doesn't look like, I mean, they're all crystals, so it looks like they use the DMC code, but they're crystals instead of regular diamonds. So that'll be interesting to look at. The symbols look like a combination of a symbol, letter, and it does look like there are some numbers as well. And when I look at the field itself, there doesn't look like there's any spots that are going to be hard. I'm just looking here, you guys. It doesn't look like there's any spots that are going to be a lot of the same type of symbol or color in the same area. They've done it in such a way that it should be easy. You shouldn't accidentally misplace the wrong color. I guess that's a long way of saying that. Now, you guys, let's look at the drills. Oh, and I will say, I like that they've got the branding at the top. It's Diamondart.ca, happy drilling. And then it also says waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing, and green. Oh, and you guys couldn't see that, sorry. So waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing, and green diamond painting. Nice. Okay, well, I'm actually pretty happy with that. Now let's look at these. And you know what? They're all crystals, and the tough thing about showing you crystals is that they've got the silver back. So I don't know if you're really going to get a good idea of the coloring. But there's like reds, brighter reds. And you're probably just seeing nothing but silver, right? There's some oranges, more reds, kind of a purpley color. Some yellows, different colors of yellows, yellowy oranges, brighter yellows. I'm like, stay in camera, Dawn. Dark, dark, deep red, dark, dark, deep orange. So, I mean, I hope you guys can see all those. And it looks like they go by weight. That's what that little bottom number is there. And I do like, for all of you who don't like to kit up, you can just work right out of these baggies if you want. There's a bright yellow. That's kind of a peachy, orangey red kind of. And that's like a umber yellow-ish color. I don't know. I'm not good at describing colors if you guys haven't figured that out already. Now another red, some oranges. So really lots and lots of yellows, oranges, and reds, and not a whole heck of a lot else. There is some 310 crystals, and these ones, oh yeah, they do kind of look like they're crystals too. So yeah, I'm not even going to try to go through each of these because like I said, I'm not even sure if you guys are seeing them, but just tons and tons of shades of red, orange, yellow. That's going to be interesting. I'm actually really, really interested to see what this is going to look like when it's done. I've done the, I've done canvases, I've done special drill canvases that are pretty much filled up, but not any that, like they all are, they're not in a line. They're not uniform like a normal diamond painting would be. And so I've done those types and it's less diamonds on them because they're not placed exactly perfectly. And this one is just like a regular diamond painting with regular DMC codes, just in crystal. I want to like start this right away so I can look at even just what even a section looks like. It'll be cool to look at. So whip and chat, I'm thinking. So Diamondart.ca, I hope you guys will go and show them some love. Check out their site, poke it around a little bit. I'm really excited that they're bringing in licensed artwork. I can't actually wait to see who they bring in and what styles they bring in. I will be checking back for sure. I hope you guys liked this unboxing. If you did, please give me a thumbs up to show your support. And then also, if this was your first time here, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are and whenever you're watching this. Don't forget to grab somebody you love and give them a great big hug. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.